Hey, this is Uday Prakash. This is 15th of January. I'm here with another demo of a plugin that I've built using plugthis.ai. This is an interesting plugin with what it does. The problem I wanted to solve for is there is a tremendous increase in the number of articles that are being produced thanks to AI. Now, can we use AI, which is another model, to evaluate an article that we found on the web in real time to see what portions of it was entirely AI written or partially AI written, and also find reasoning why the model thinks AI was used to write this article. It's a fun little experiment that I did using Groq. The models are hosted on Groq Cloud, and the model that was used was KIMI K2 Instruct. It's an open source model. The reason for using Groq is it has very high inference speeds, which are required for this sort of a demonstration. The article that I'm going to pick is the one from Danco. It's been going viral on Twitter. It's called "How to Fix Your Entire Life in One Day." It's a cool article. I've gone through it. I think so. Let's just run the extension on top of this article to see what sections of it was possibly written by AI. And again, this is a fun little experiment. I'm not alluding that the results are 100% accurate. So let's go test it out. Open side panel. I'm gonna just refresh the page so that the plugin picks it up. Yeah, it has already picked it up. You see what has happened is the entire contents of the article are now pushed to KIMI K2 Instruct model, which has another prompt that it is utilizing to evaluate and then to say what likelihood it believes sections of the article are written by AI. So if you see, it has 7 detections. 60, 70, 93, 65. Okay, I'm gonna go with the 73 one. Let's go. Okay, see, cool. No, not only it says it's this particular section, it's highlighted. It was written by AI. It thinks it's written by AI, and it also gives a certain reasoning why it thinks it is written. It believes it is written by AI. Find a reason with a higher gravitational pull than the one tying to your previous ways. The physics metaphor feels forced and is a favorite LLM device for sounding profound while remaining generic. Right? Another one you can see, you can unhappily say that you wasted resource, you will never get back time. Overwritten melodramatic closing that echoes countless motivational memes rather than personal reflection. I hate to break it to you. Conversational cliche often inserted by models to create false intimacy. This is quite interesting. See, I'm not an expert on detecting AI written content, but this is a fun little experiment. Now you can utilize this plugin, and maybe if this is a field of interest for you, you can tune your prompts, play around with your temperatures, see how different models are able to evaluate and detect AI generated content. The advantage of using this plugin is now it was all done with no code, and it took me about 15-20 minutes to do it. That's all about it. I think it's a it's a fun little experiment. So if you find this interesting, and is there any other things you want to test it out, please let me know. I can build those plugins and probably demonstrate it to you. What else? Apologies to Danco. I'm not sure if this is entirely correct. If there is another researcher who understands AI generated content better, wants to reach out, I can give the plugin files to you. I can maybe push it to our marketplace. Please let me know. And this is Uday signing off. Have a great day.